Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how can we, here I have a bridge, part of the bridge, not complete here. Let's see the 3D. So this is the part of the bridge. You have abutments and this beam with the rebars. Okay, so if you take a front view of this bridge, you will see the beam is horizontal perfectly, but it's not the case always. You will have to rotate it. It will be at certain slope. you know so once you have modeled the rebars and the beam as well, then normally it's better to do with the family. You create a family and do it. It's better. But if you are modeling in place, then there can be the issue. So if I try to rotate this, maybe I will put it, I will want it to be at certain angle. Okay, so let's go ahead and select this, or maybe whole of this. I want to rotate whole of this at a certain angle. So let's go ahead and place it. It's at the center, or place it at the edge. Okay, at the start of this beam, and then we'll try to rotate a little bit. Okay, so try it, but you see there's an it cannot rotate elements in this position. And if you try, it will ask you to delete all these rebars that you have created. So there's another way workaround to this one. In this case, either you are able to rotate this concrete part only without rebar and delete those rebar and then recreate it. So better, what we can do is there's another workaround to this. Let's select all of these, the beam and the rebar, the girder, we say here, girder and the rebar, and then let's go ahead and create a group. This is the part where you see this symbol here, you create a group. Maybe you can name any group, say let's say beam, okay, sorry, girder, okay, girder group, and say okay. Now it's a group. you know so if it's once it is selected, it is selected position, and you say okay, rotate, and again you choose the rotation point, you place it at this point, and now you say okay, from this horizontal plane I want to rotate a little bit. You say the guide appears, and then say okay, now you see it's rotated. Okay, in this part you can delete the previous one. Okay, this one you can delete this, and see, it's rotated easily, and all the rebars are in place as they should be. Okay, so this is the way you can rotate, and then later you can just select again and say ungroup, and you can ungroup it, and the rebars will be at their locations as they are. So this is a very important trick that you need to use while modeling bridges. In the buildings, you won't find certain conditions much, these kind of conditions much, but in the bridges it's a frequent condition. Okay, so thanks. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Share, like, comments, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.